Go home happy with the 2021 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an affordable, efficient Corolla that offers a smooth ride, agile handling, desirable standard safety features, a comfortable cabin that's surprisingly roomy, and appointed with high-quality materials and amenities, all wrapped in head-turning style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. Practicality can be surprisingly stylish. See for yourself when you take this well-designed Corolla out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.